I hope you can still remember what I told you last time, last period. Supposing, do you need a revision? No, it doesn't. If if not, then I'll begin. Okay, and you must understand that we have. I'm going to introduce you two types of Chinese writing. The first one is what we say classical,
Or we
and
call regular. Classical or regular. In Chinese is
yeah,
楷书.
some of them call it regular. They have different names. It doesn't matter. You
Yeah.
know it. This is the main point. You have to what? You have to. I mean, the horizontal line should be going up. It's like this. It seems easy, but you should know that they have a different kind, different length. Is it? This one long, shorter, or this the longest? If they are the same, and then this is not calligraphy. This is drawing only. At the same time, you must pay attention to this too. For example, the space for us to write is like this. It should be put in the center, in the middle part. You shouldn't try to make it too big or too small. If it's too small, it isn't nice looking. And then here. So for this character, so what's the shape?
Square.
Square, right? It's square. But when you are doing the clerical, you have to do it like this. Still the same, actually. You know it. Psalm 3. Then you can find out the shape. What's it like? Rectangular, right? But this is the typical type of, writing like this. You have to do it like this. If you can do it like this, it is already something where people will look at. When people look at it, they know that it's, we say clerical. So when you practice later, you should also aiming at this second character. Strictly speaking, they are formed by what? By a horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, and dots. Something, but every dot is different in shape. What you must also pay attention to this. This one is also square. But when you are doing the clerical writing, every stroke begin here and then it must turn back. At the end, it must turn back, you know. But this one, not necessary. This is something we must know. You can see that it seems very sharp here, but still the brush, you know, turns back. Second dot, third dot, every dot, not just a meaning like this, you have to do it very slowly. Can you find out that this is like this, still same, In Mandarin, this is si. In Cantonese, is si, means think. 3, not thinking twice, but 3 times, you know. This one, in Cantonese, yi, but in Mandarin is means, and then think 3 times, and then what? Can you see my brush returning? And then go up. See? This is the so it's different, see? Cantonese, this is hang, but in Mandarin is xing. Xing. Actually, it means what? You do it. Think 3 times before you do it, actually. See? But in English, it means you must be careful, you know, before you do anything. See? So, in English, you should say, look before you lick. You know the meaning? Well, look at this, it's different. It should be like this. Tracing. And then parallel, and then straight down, a little, only a little, and then turn. Find out that the space here is quite similar. If you take it longer, then the space is too big. See? still. Is it this square? This one rectangular. Anything you want to know? Otherwise, you have to practice now. Well, and at the same time, you can do it, on each of your table, there's a paper like this.